Alright, welcome back. In this video, we will see something called set methods. Now, we're going to discuss about the methods in set. So, to just see that what are the methods that present in set, we're going to use dir and set and we're going to execute this. Now we have the list of items on the bottom, right? So these are the methods we are going to discuss now. We have already discussed some of the methods called add, clear, copy in our earlier session. Now, the rest of the methods we are going to discuss here in this session. All right, now let me just cancel out this. Let me just use something called a my set as a variable and let me give some kind of numbers here inside the set. Say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also wanted to use another variable called your set and say that I will put some kind of numbers here, say that 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now we have two sets, right? Now we don't want to we just wanted to use the methods here, right? Now I just wanted to put the first set here as a my set. I wanted to use the dot notation and shift tab so that I will get all the methods which are presented in the Jupyter notebook. Alright, so these are the methods for sub these are the methods for sets. Now I wanted to use the difference method here and wanted to enclose here uh, wanted to close the parenthesis and say that your set. Now I got here uh, 1, 2, 3, and this is the view from my set. So the difference, whatever is there from my set, we just got that 1, 2, 3. Now 4 and 5 is already overlapping with your set, so we are not going to execute anything after 4, 5. Alright, this is about the difference method. Going further, we also have another method. Let us just see. I said I just wanted to use the dot notation again and enter the tab here, and we have something called discard, right? So I just wanted to discard uh, the number 5 from the variable called my set. So let me just print now my set. What do I get here? I get 1, 2, 3, 4 as I expected. So that means it removes the number 5 from my set and it just gives uh, the remaining values here. Alright, this is one method. Now let us also see another method. Let me just use my set here again and put the dot notation again. Similarly, I just wanted to use a dot. This time I just wanted to go for a difference update and say that, let me just say another set here, say your set, right? Now if I wanted to print my set, what do you think I will get? I get 1, 2, 3 because that is the difference whatever that is updated, right? So this is why this is what we will use it for a difference update. Now going further, we also have another few methods here. Let us also see them. Right, this is set and use tab here. Now this time I wanted to see intersection. All right, and say that another variable called your set. This time I just got here okay, now I just wanted to print uh, my set So I just got 1, 2, 3, which is already presented earlier. That means I don't have anything here because it is already taking 1, 2, 3 here. Let me just put here 2 so that it will be easy for us to just check what that has got intersected. Let me execute this again. So we have got 4 and 5. That means whatever the values are there in my set and your set, there are only 4 5 common values, so that is getting intersected with my set 2 is getting intersected with 4 5 of your set. That's how we are going to check it. All right, this is about intersection, and intersection can also be done in this way. There is a shortcut for intersection saying that you can put end symbol here and say that your set. And this is also let me just use here 2 so that we get something here. All right, this is how we also can do intersection. All right, now this is something I wanted to show you, and then the next method we are just going to put here is my set dot let me just go tab here. Let us just use 2 because we already messed something up with my set. So the next thing we just wanted to go for is disjoint, and again wanted to use your set, and it is just going to say that whether it is a true or false, so whether they have something in common or not. That means we don't have something that is common in, let me just execute to, so it's not actually disjoint of your set, that's why it is just giving a false here. All right, now going further, we also have another method called uh, let's see what methods we have left with. We also have union, right? And say that your set. Now union means it's going to add all the things, and it gives an unique values, and it is all united, and it will entirely give a separate set, and it removes all the duplicates and gives all the unique values inside the set. And this is about union. And for union we can also use something called a shortcut here. I can just say that my set 2, I can just use this operator and then say your set, and this also will give this is an alternative way of using union. All right, now we have 2 more methods to go. Let me just type here my set 2 and say dot again. We have is subset of let me just say here your set. So it is also going to return something called boolean because it is starting with is. So my set 2 is not subset of your set. Either way you can also check like your set is subset of my set 2. Oh, your set, oh, something I have made a mistake here. So both the ways it's going to return false because it is not a subset of either ways. Now one final thing I just wanted to discuss here is, let me just say that my set 2 dot, let me just go, which is called a superset. All right, let us just check whether it is a superset or not of your set. So enter here your set, and it's not going to be a superset, right? And let me just use your set, whether it is a superset of my set too. Something is wrong here. My set. Alright, in both the ways, there's no superset here. So let me just put here. mm, okay, alright. In either ways, you can try in different combinations where you will get different things so that you can experience something differently. Alright, this is about set methods, and all these things, as I saw, as I shown you, you don't have to remember anything, you don't have to mug up anything in your mind. You can just enter the dot and shift tab in your Jupyter notebook. It gives the related methods that present in the set. Alright, that's it in this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.